The recipe for Green Circular District. The world is filling up with waste, and the planet's temperature is rising due to CO2 emissions. Here is NextChem's recipe for lowering the CO2 emissions through recycling. Use waste as a resource to produce low-carbon impact products and enjoy a better future. Here are the ingredients for a sustainable future. 1 green circular district. Recyclable and non-recyclable plastic waste. Oxygen. Water, sun, and wind to taste. A handful of science. A pinch of resourcefulness. And a spoonful of desire to change. Preparation. Take the recyclable plastic waste and put it inside the green circular district. Thanks to the upcycling technology, the plastic waste we usually throw away every day is transformed into flakes and then into high-quality granules. In this way, we obtain recycled plastic with the same characteristics and quality as traditional plastic, which is a good ingredient for the environment as well. After being used, the recycled plastic items can be recycled again, avoiding any waste. Now, we can add the plastic waste that cannot be transformed in granules in the green circular district to give those a new life as well. Thanks to an innovative chemical conversion process of the molecules, we will obtain a gas that we call circular. The circular gas can be transformed into other precious ingredients, such as hydrogen, methanol, and ethanol, the basis for many items that are part of our daily life and fuels for the green mobility. These products are more digestible for the planet because they do not consume new oil and create jobs for a circular and more sustainable economy. And finally, we add water and the energy of the sun or wind in the green circular district to produce green hydrogen through electrolysis technology. In fact, hydrogen is the fundamental ingredient for an economy that does not create imbalances in the climate and the planet. Result: the recipe for a sustainable future is ready. High-quality recycled plastic, products for the industry and transport that use waste resources and reduce CO2 emissions, hydrogen obtained from waste and water, sun, and wind. A future with lower CO2 emissions dedicated to recycling and reusing all the waste from our daily consumption that offers us more sustainable products, makes industries greener, and creates new skills and development. Great, right? NextChem. Today, it is possible.